Hey everyone, it's Mitch here. I just want to give a shout out to my friend Jordan McKay, who's got this great course called Buy 95, and the course I'm in is called How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Your Own Videos. So if you're the kind of shy person that doesn't want to put your face on videos and you still want to make money on YouTube, this is a really great course for you because he teaches you how to download videos that are copyright free, Creative Commons, and change them, make them into your own, re-upload them into your own channel. But he also teaches you how to pick the right niche that's going to be profitable for you. He teaches you how to get your channel monetized very, very quickly, like within a month. The first channel I started, it took me a year and a half to get monetized by working really, really hard. And he's just got these systems that will just blow you away with how quickly you can get your channel up and running and monetize and making ad revenue. So teaches you all that, choosing the right niche. I think I went over that. Let's see, YouTube SEO secrets for increasing your views and getting more traffic to your channel, how to explode your views and subscribers, and other ways to make money with your video, like with affiliate marketing. There's all sorts of great content in here. This course I'm in has got 12 modules, and it's just packed with information. I can't say enough about it. I'm probably going to pick up all of his other courses because this one's so valuable to me, and I really like the way he teaches. So that's it. I just want to give my testimonial and a shout out to Jordan and his Buy 95 class.